Hi everyone, I hope you guys have a nice day today. Alright, so today I will share you the best way to grow 1000% in Forex trading by using the rainbow trading system. Alright, don't worry, we will share you for free step-by-step video. I will upload all the video in my YouTube channel. Okay, why rainbow trading system? Number one, this system is the fastest way to grow your account with minimum risk. Number 2, have a higher winning rate with an average risk and reward 1 to 5. And this system is suitable for all forex traders. Doesn't matter you are beginner or advanced, simple but powerful. Trust me. Rainbow trading system. Number 1, you will learn how to identify the market structure and the direction correctly. Number 2, where is the best entry level. Number 3, where to put your take profit and stop loss. Number 4, what is the best lot size for your account, and number 5, my extra strategy to grow 1000% in forex trading. How to start, we will share full video step by step in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe now and turn on the notification. Bye bye.